Hello everyone, Papa here. Well, we're back at it. It's been a few days. We had some business to attend to, but I'm back working on the kitchen update. Spent some time on the ridge working on the health department permit for the well and septic at the home site on top of the ridge. But now we're back in the kitchen. I'll turn around here and show you some of the progress. This wall behind us has been updated. And now I'm in the kitchen. I'll turn this around so you can see the progress. Alright, so we can catch everybody up to speed. The trim boards have went in all around the mudroom entrance, and this wall has been rebuilt, and a little kind of fake board and batten there, somewhat like a Cracker Barrel wall that can be painted in the future. And I come around here and had to dismantle the work I did in the kitchen last week because I decided to put up the aluminum on this wall where the oak cabinets go. And here in just a few minutes, I'll be putting these cabinets back in and show you the final result of this wall. Well, the cabinets are back in place and that wall is finished. The corrugated aluminum is once again made to look like a country restaurant. So the next item we're moving into the countertops and those cabinets right there. They're coming down and going to install cherry shelving. Boy, that took me a while to figure out. Anyway, till the next time.